Hi kids, in today's session you are going to learn about soils of Tamil Nadu. The soils in Tamil Nadu, it is classified into 5 types: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil and saline soil. First we will move on to the alluvial soil. They are formed by the deposition of silt by the rivers. It is found in the river valley regions and the coastal plains of Tamil Nadu. Generally, this type of soil is found in the district of Tanjavur, Tiruvarur, Nagapattinam, Viluppuram, Kadalur, Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari. It is also found to a small extent along the river valleys in a few interior districts. This soil is very good for cultivation because it is a fertile soil. In our Tamil Nadu, we are cultivating in alluvial soil paddy. Now we will move on to the black soil. They are formed by weathering of igneous rocks. It is also known as Regus soil. As cotton grows well in this soil, it is also called as the black cotton soil. Black soils are found extensively in the districts of Coimbatore, Madurai, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. Red soil. Red soils cover over 2/3 of the total area of Tamil Nadu. They are found particularly in the central district of the state. It is dominantly found in Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram districts. Laterite soil. This soil is formed by the process of intense leaching. Laterite soils are found in some parts of Kanjipuram, Tiruvallur and Tanjavur districts and some patches over the mountain regions in the Nilgiris. Saline soil in Tamil Nadu are confined to the Coromandel coast. Vedaranyam has a packet of saline soil. The tsunami waves on December 26, 2004 brought a lot of sand and deposited it all along the east coast of Tamil Nadu. The tsunami made the coastal areas unsuitable for cultivation to a considerable extent. Now we will move on to the soil erosion. Soil is a non-renewable source that we know very well. It is a very difficult to replace the soil once it gets degraded. Deforestation, overgrazing, urbanization and heavy rain are responsible for soil erosion in Tamil Nadu. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soils, which in turn reduces agriculture productivity too. So it is necessary to take intensive care to conserve the soil resources.